I'm born and raised spiritually innocent. I was raised in my ancestors' culture and traditions, beliefs without proofs. I grew up leaning on my own rules, my parents' rules, my grandparents' way of life. Yeah, they talk about God, they know there is a God, but does not really know who and why. Later, when I am now old, God revealed himself to me.
So wonderful, so beautiful.
He threw away every that doesn't required by him from my heart. He cleansed my heart little by little. He brought me out from the horrible pit where I was. He set my feet on the rock this day. He put a new song into my mouth, established my pains. He is transforming me little by little. He is preparing me for his glory. He blessed me and blotted my sins away. He threw it all into the deepest of the sea. He called me a son this day. I am a brand new man, for he cleansed me with his precious blood.